Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Diecast Replicas. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Pandem Toyota Supra with the Advan livery, as you can see on the video. So this is the box that the car comes in. So you can see it's by Mini GT, and it says Pandem Toyota GR Supra with the Advan 2019 livery. On the side you can see the Pandem logo, and on the other side you can see the Mini GT logo as well. So on the rear side, as always, you have the details, and also you also have the TSA model sticker on the box. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Let's take the car out. Alright, so guys, this is the car. As always, looks awesome with the headlights coming in yellow, detailed front bumper grills, and that Advan livery looks pretty cool on the car itself. You also have the sponsor decals. So that's the side of the car. It's the rear side. You can see that the exhaust are pretty detailed. Overall, once again, Mini GT has done an excellent job in designing this car. Looks and feel awesome. Yeah, and if you are a collector and if you haven't got this yet into your collection, I highly recommend you to buy this and add to your collection as well. So overall, as always, I'm very impressed with the quality of Mini GT and their cars. So this goes into my collection. Alright guys, so that's it for the today's unboxing video. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified when we upload new videos. Until next time, stay tuned.